Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making tandoori masala. So for this we need lots of ingredient. Let me tell you what we require. Brown cardamom, small cardamom, star anise, stone flower, cinnamon, whole red chili, bay leaf, dry fenugreek leaf, black pepper powder, coriander seed, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric, clove, dry ginger powder, cumin seed, garlic powder, carve seed. Take a frying pan, on very low flame add 3 teaspoons of coriander seed, half a teaspoon of carve seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn, half teaspoon of fennel seed. Dry roast them, mix them on very low flame for 30 seconds. Mix it constantly. Now add a very small piece of star anise, 3 inch of cinnamon, 4 brown cardamom, 4 bay leaf, crush them and add them. Now add 6 to 7 whole red chili, dry roasting on very low flame. Now add 4 cardamom, green cardamom and 6 clove. Mix it and dry roast for another 15 to 20 seconds. Now add 2 to 3 stone flour. Mix it again. Now add 1 teaspoon of poppy seed. Mix it again. Now put off the flame and then add 1 teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaf and mix it again. Since your pan is hot, so stir continuously. Now add half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and mix it and put them into a grinder and grind them to a fine powder, and your tandoori masala is ready. So make tandoori masala at home. Thank you.